everyone, and welcome to today's video from Facts for Fit. Today we're talking about one of the most powerful superfoods out there, spirulina. What is spirulina? Spirulina is a type of blue-green algae that is loaded with nutrients. It is rich in protein, vitamins, minerals, and healthy fats. It also contains antioxidants and phytonutrients that can help protect the body from free radical damage. Health benefits. Now, let's take a look at some of the amazing health benefits of spirulina. Studies have shown that spirulina can help to boost the immune system, reduce inflammation, and improve cholesterol levels. It is also known to have anti-cancer properties and can help to reduce blood pressure. Spirulina can also help to improve cognitive function, increase energy levels, and even aid in weight loss. How to use. So, how do you incorporate spirulina into your diet? It is available in both powder and capsule forms, so you can take it in whichever form is most convenient for you. You can also add spirulina to smoothies, shakes, and other recipes for an extra nutritional boost. Conclusion. That wraps up today's video on spirulina. If you're looking for a powerful superfood that can help to improve your overall health, then spirulina is definitely worth a try. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful.